Hello guys, how are you doing? The topic of our upcoming meeting is learning from mistakes. Now this is in the context of language learning. One big mistake I made was that I overlooked the importance of ear training. Listening is an important part of learning to speak a language well. The more familiar you become with the sounds and melody of a language, the easier it is for you to pick up the patterns while listening and to recreate it in speech. The second mistake I made was to think that I'll be able to improve my speaking skill without the help of others. I was quite mistaken. Self-study courses can only take you so far. We also need regular feedback to help us identify what needs to change for us to make improvements. I noticed massive changes in my speaking when I was training with a coach. She was able to identify my mistakes quicker than I could, as a result of which I was able to improve my performance faster. I once learned from a coach that there are two enemies of learning. Those are two mindsets. The first one is, I know that. Never take your knowledge for granted. What we know needs to be frequently reviewed and revised. This keeps our knowledge active and updated. Repetition of information over a long stretch of time puts it in our long-term memory. And the second enemy of learning is, I disagree. If I say to you, I disagree, I'm really saying that what I know is different from what you know, and we simply kill the possibility of learning something new. A better step would be to understand why we disagree. Is it a problem of data or reasoning? So, I know that and I disagree are two enemies of learning. We have to be very careful when we make those statements. In both cases, our brain stops making new connections and we stop learning. So those were some of the lessons I wanted to share with you guys today. So I look forward to discussing more of that in our meetup tomorrow. Talk to you guys soon.